sir.
Hello.
We're standing in front of a blank wall, but we're doing that for a reason. You guys have a new app, a new technology called ARC. Give folks a kind of an overview of what that is and what the app helps you do.
Yeah. So the app is actually an augmented reality app, which means that with, for example, an iPhone or a smartphone, you take a picture of an existing room, and then you add something on top of that, and you add a display, and by doing this, you create, let's say, a virtual environment of a situation where the display will eventually be relocated. So it's for some people it's very difficult to understand what kind of screen size do you want and with which kind of environment. And with this application, we make it very simple. You just make a snapshot of the room. You add the displays, you change the displays in sizes, for example, and you can almost like have an immediate idea of how the system will look like in the future. So it's a kind of augmented reality environment that we are doing.
So you're able to go in, you're looking at the wall,
yes,
where you want the display.
Yes.
And you're able to choose brightness, you're able to choose all sorts of different options. Then the ARC application physically or virtually puts it on the wall in the real size of how exactly it would look.
Exactly. And in a lot of cases, it's really the people don't know, do I need a 55-inch, do I need a 65-inch, how would it look like? And it helps them a lot. Also video walls, by the way. Do you need a 3x2? Do you need a 4x3? Does it need to be a 49-inch, a 55-inch? Same for LED. How many modules do you need? This app really gives you all the flexibility and a real impression of how it will look like. And that's what's actually, it's a fantastic sales tool for everybody, which is free of charge, available in the App Store and the Google Play Store.
And then you can take that on site to their customers.
Exactly.
And really show them how it would look.
So for our sales guys, it's a really great tool, but also for our customers who want to represent our products to the end customers, let's say, the clients, it's a fantastic tool to have.
All right, if somebody's here at InfoComm and they want to see this in action, how do they do that?
They just come to our booth, and it's booth 3421, and we'll have a person in standby to explain and to show the product.
All right, if they're not here but they want to download it, it's on the App Store.
Yeah, it's on the App Store, it's on the Google Play Store, it's for free. Yes, I would say just try it.
All right, Chris Colbert from Philips, for me, for Tim Albright, for AVNation. Go by the website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv, and get more show coverage of InfoComm 2019. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.